Hey everyone, today we are diving into how China Airlines is making waves in the freight game and helping business around the world. So, first off, let's talk about global trade. It's been growing super fast thanks to tech advancement and easier access to international markets. With more business trading globally, there's a big need for reliable freight service to get goods from point A to point B. That's where China Airlines steps in. China Airlines has built itself up as a go-to choice for companies needing freight services. They have got a huge network of routes, which means they can move goods quickly and efficiently. No one wants delays, right? Another big plus is their focus on safety. They have strict safety protocols to make sure everything arrives in perfect condition. That's a big deal for businesses that depends on timely deliveries. Plus, they offer a variety of services tailored to different industries, whether you need air cargo, express delivery, or something specialized, they have got you covered. Now, let's look at some industry that really benefit from using China Airlines. For example, the tech sector relies on them to transport high-value electronics. The pharmaceutical industry also counts on their specialized service to deliver sensitive products like vaccines safely. And don't forget the automotive industry. With their just-in-time manufacturing process, these companies need parts delivered on time, and China Airlines delivers. China Airlines has an extensive network connecting key points in Asia, North America, and Europe. This setup allows them to offer competitive transit times and flexible schedules. They are always working on expanding and optimizing their routes, especially in emerging markets. Safety and reliability are top priorities for China Airlines. They stick to strict international standards to ensure everything is handled carefully. With high on-time performance rates, businesses can trust that their goods will arrive as scheduled, keeping their operations running smoothly. As global trade keeps changing, China Airlines is right there adapting. They use advanced tech for real-time tracking and streamlined cargo handling. Plus, they actively seek customer feedback to keep improving their service. So what does the future hold? Global trade is expected to keep growing, with emerging markets playing a bigger role. China Airlines is in a great position to get advantage of this trend with its strong network and commitment to innovation. In short, the rise demand for China Airlines freight service shows how they are providing valuable logistics solutions for global trade. With their focus on safety, reliability, and customer satisfaction, they are unlocking new opportunities for businesses everywhere. As trade continues to grow, China Airlines will be a key player in making it all happen. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. I'm Italo, and I will see you in the next one.